Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add your boarding pass to Google Wallet. It's a great way to keep your ticket safe and avoid carrying a physical copy. First, open Google Wallet and tap Add to Wallet. Select Photo. This lets you take a picture of your boarding pass. You can either take a photo of a physical boarding pass or use a screenshot from your email or computer. Make sure the QR code or barcode is clear and visible. That's the most important part. Give your pass a name, for example, the destination city. Once done, save it. After processing, your boarding pass will be stored in Google Wallet and ready to show at the airport. And that's it. That's how to add your boarding pass to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.